So good morning, my dear students. As we were doing the last chapter of trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratio of complementary angles, and we have done up to question number 5. So I hope you all are remembering the things, the basic things of trigonometry. Alright, so keeping in mind all the things, let us start with the 6th question. And the question is, find the value of tan degree, tan 20 degree, tan 40 degree, tan 50 degree, tan 70 degree and tan 80 degree. Okay, let us do this thing. So how can we do? So this is how it goes. See, first of all, tan 10 degree, tan 20, tan 40 degree as it is I am writing. And then this tan 50, can this 50 be written as 90 minus 40? So it will be 90 minus 40. This 70 is 90 minus 20 and tan 80 can be written as 90 minus 10. Now how I get to know that which I have to write like what? So you just check this 10 degree plus 80 degree, you will get 90 degree. So that means they both are connected somewhere. 20 and this 70, they both are connected, and 40 and 50, 40 plus 50, 90 degree. So you just this is one way of knowing that which to be converted and which not to be converted. We see the relationships. So I'm keeping this 3 as it is and I'm changing this 3. You'll get when I'll explain you further. So as 50 is written as this, 70 is written as this and 80 is written as this. Now as tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta, this has changed into cot 40. See, these 3 things are as it is here. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and in place of theta you have 40 degrees. So 40. Here also tan 90 minus 20, it will be cot 20, and tan 90 minus 10 will be cot 10. Now as tan theta is 1 upon cot theta, so in place of this cot 40 I am writing 1 upon tan 40. This tan 20 as 1 upon tan 20 and that cot 10 as 1 upon. So you can see this tan to tan degree, tan 20 degree to tan 20 degree and tan 40 degree and 10. This are cancelled and finally we got 1. So that is what I am trying to say, that this 10 and 80, they both are somewhere related, because tan 10 degree can be as it is, and we can convert that tan 80 as cot 90 minus 10, and it is changed, tan 90 minus 10, and this is changed as tan 10, cot 10. So tan 10 into cot 10 will give you 1. That is why they both are connected. So we have to change, we have to think like this, okay? See, if you see question number 6, the previous one, that is A1. So you have cos square 18 degree plus cos square 36 degree plus cos square 54 plus cos square 72 plus cos square 90 degree. This cos 90 is 0, so 0 square is 0, so this is removed. Now you are left with these things. Now if you know this 18 plus, not this 18, this 18 and 72, if you add, you'll get 90. And this cos 36 and 54, you'll add, you'll get 90. So this two, they both are related. How? This 18, this is square, so I'm writing this cos 18 the whole square plus cos 36 the whole square plus cos 54 the whole square plus cos 72 the whole square. We can write like this. Now you change this 18. This 18 can be written as cos 90 minus 72, can we? Okay. And I'm taking this 70 to 1. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin square 72 plus cos square 72. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. So this one and this one, while changing by converting, you'll get 1. And they two are related. So when you will change this, so it will change in sign. So sin square 54 plus cos square 54 will also give you 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Like that you have to do. Okay? Okay, let us come to the question number 7th B. If tan theta into tan 40 degree is equal to 1, then find theta. This is the equation given to us. Given tan theta into tan 40 equal to 1. I'm taking this tan theta in the denominator, so tan 40 will be equal to 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan theta is cot theta, we can write. Okay, we got this. Now we need to find the value of theta. For finding the value of theta, here tan is there and here cot. They two should be same. So what we are doing, we are trying to change this cot theta as tan 90 minus theta, now we can compare because they have the same function. So on comparing the tan function, you'll get 40 equal to 90 minus theta. Take theta this side, 40 there, so theta will be 90 minus 40, theta equal to 50 degree. Okay. Okay, now let us understand the D1. If sec 5 theta is equal to cosec 7 theta, then prove that theta is equal to 7.5. Given sec theta equal to sec 5 theta equal to cosec 7 theta. We know sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta. Okay, we know this thing. So in place of sec 5 theta, we can write cosec 90 minus 5 theta. As theta is same, so we need to put 5 theta here. So sec 5 theta is cosec 90 minus 5 theta equal to cos 7 theta, which is going on. Now as we got the cosec same on comparing the cosec function. So 90 minus 5 theta equal to 7 theta. Take minus of 5 theta that side, so plus 9 theta plus 5 theta is what? 12 theta equal to 90 degree. Okay, please put theta degrees here. Sometimes I do not write. Okay, so 5 theta equal to 90 degree. Theta will be 90 upon 12, 7.5 degree. Okay. Alright, let us understand question number 8, B1. If sec 50 degree is equal to A and cot 40 degree is equal to B, then find the value of A square minus B square. So to find A square minus B square, okay, we have A as this sec 50. So in place of A square, we are writing sec 50 the whole square minus B, we have cot 40 degree. So B square, in place of B square, we are writing cot 40 the whole square. Sec square 50 degree minus. Now, let me just take you here to this identity, because we are going to take the logic from this identity only to solve this question. So as 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, taking tan square theta that side, so sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. But we have only sec square. We need to convert this cot into tan, which is very easy task for us. So cot 40, cot as it is, this 40 I am writing 90 minus 50. Can we write? Yes. So cot 90 minus theta is what? Tan theta. So you just mention here cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. So we have changed it. Now we got whatever we want, sec square 50 degree minus tan square 50 degree. According to this identity, we can write 1. So hence value of A square minus B square is 1. Okay. Okay, now let us come to the 9th question on establishing the equalities. So first one, see, they are very, very easy questions, because as we have already seen in the previous questions regarding the conversions, so we need to prove that sine 40 degree plus sine 75 degree equal to cos 15 degree plus cos 50 degree. Take the LHS, or you can take RHS also, and you can prove. So we are taking LHS right now. Sine 40 plus sine 75. 40, this 40 first, you convert this in terms of 90 minus, then you change it. Okay, always keep this thing. So 40 degree can be converted into 90 minus 50, and the 75 can be written as 90 minus 50. Up sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So theta is what? 50 degree. So it becomes cos 50 degree, and it becomes cos 15 degree. Hence proved. So like this we have to prove. Similarly, if you come to the D question, tan 62 minus tan 48 equal to cot 28 minus tan 42 we have to prove. So again, taking LHS, okay, so 62 can be written as 90 minus 28. 48, this 48 can be written as 90 minus 42. Okay, we know tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan 90 minus 28 can be written as cot 28, cot 90 minus 42 can be written as tan 42. Hence proved. Okay, LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Okay, let us come to the 10th question. So it says cot 9, we have to prove cot 9 degree, cot 27 degree into cot 45 degree into cot 63 degree into cot 81 degree is equal to 1 we have to prove. So in such type of question, first of all, you just see that can you put any of the value from it. So as we know of the 45 degree and cot 45 degree, we can put the value. So you just put the value here. What is tan 45 degree? 1. So cot 45 will be 1 upon 1, that is 1 only. So we are starting the solution as we know the value of this cot 45. Let us put. Okay, and this, see, I told you that there is always a connection. 9 and 81. 9 plus 81 was what? 90 degree. 27 and 63. 27 plus 63 is what? 90. That means these two are connected and these two are connected. And we can put the value of cot 45 as 1. So let us do. So this is how we go. They both are as it is. Tan 45 is what? 1. Then tan 63. The 63 first will write as 90 minus 27. And this 81 as 90 minus 9. Okay, so now coming to the next step, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is what? Tan theta. So cot 90 minus 27, tan 27. Cot 90 minus 9 will give you tan 9. Now this tan theta can be written as 1 upon cot theta because tan theta is 1 upon cot theta. So tan 27, 1 upon cot 27. Tan 9 degree as 1 upon 9 degree. So finally they all are cancelled and we'll finally get 1. Okay. Okay, let us come to 11th B1. Why I'm doing B1? Because if you understand this one, no, you'll easily get the A1 because they both are similar only. So the question is cos square 85 plus sin square 80 plus sin square 10 plus sin square 5. We have to prove 2 degree. Okay, so sin square 85 I'm keeping as it is. This sin square 80 also as it is. I told you, just see the relation 85 and 80, that means they both are related. 85 plus 80 will give you 90 degrees, so they both are related. And 80 plus 10, they both are related. So we are trying to change this one and this one. You know, you can change these two also, no problem. Okay, with these two also you can change and solve. You will get the correct answer. We are changing now this two. So sine, this is square, so whole square I'm writing, and inside sine 10 degree. So this sine 90 minus 10. We can write this as 90 minus 80 because 90 minus 80 is what? 10. So sine 10 is written as 90 minus 80, and this 5 we are writing as 90 minus 85. Okay, what is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So cos square is there, so cos square 80 degree, and sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, and this is square is there, so cos square 85 degree. Now take these two close. Sin square 85 plus cos square 85, and take these two close. So sin square 80 degree plus cos square 80 degree. As we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So if theta is same, 1 here, and here also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now let us understand the 12th question. You are given with sin 47 upon cos 43 the whole square plus cos 43 upon sin 43 the whole square minus 4 cos square 45 degree equal to 0. We have to prove. So how we have proved, see, this sin 47, this 47 can be written as 90 minus 43. Can we write like this? Because 90 minus 43 is 47. So sin 90 this 90 minus 43. Similarly, cos 43 I am writing 90 minus 47. 90 minus 47 is 43 only, minus 4 cos square 45. What is cos 45? 1 upon under root 2. So cos square 45 will be 1 upon under root the whole square. Now, what is 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, and also cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Okay, so 90 minus theta cos 43. 43, so here also 43. Cos 90 minus 47, sin 47. And here for 4 into 1 upon 2, because square will be 1 upon 2. These two are cancelled, will get 1. This 2 also cancelled, will get 1. Here 2. So 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, hence proved. Okay, so that's it for today, dear students. In the next video, we'll complete the chapter. Alright, so till that, just do the practice of trigonometry. Okay, then after trigonometry we'll take the another chapter. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.